Hi everyone, here with the LENOVO Tab E7 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So firstly we have to enter the camera app, so let's do it, and now we have to enter the settings, which are right here. We have to tap on this 2 bars icon. As you can see, actually on the 4th position we've got countdown timer, so let's tap on it. Right now it is off, this option is marked, but we can set either 3, 5 or 10 seconds delay. So let me pick for example 10 seconds delay, just tap on it, and as you can see it immediately changes. So let's go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, from now on your device will count down from 10, and after that time it will take a photo. Okay, let me check another option, so let's enter the settings again and let me pick for example 3 seconds. Let's get back, and the same situation, but now it is counting down from 3. In order to turn it off, obviously enter the settings again and tap on off. Let's get back, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. So actually that's all. This is how to set camera timer in your LENOVO Tab E7. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.